All right, ladies and gentlemen. All right, ladies and gentlemen. We got a problem right here, man. We got a problem. Let's begin this. This is not. We're not even gonna introduce this thing. Steve Harvey is out of control, ladies and gentlemen. Steve Harvey is out of control. Let's watch what he has to say. This is absolutely ridiculous. Let's see. Sorry about this. Slight delays. All right. Let's watch this.
I've been dating this guy for almost 3 months now, and I've been following your 90-day rule. So far, he's passed with flying colors. So now I'm excited to give him one of the best holidays gifts ever, and that's the cookie. So,
Oh my god, I cannot believe this motherfucker told women to wait 90 days to have sex with a guy, ladies and gentlemen. This is fucking ridiculous. And I'm gonna explain to you why this is ridiculous beyond belief.
yeah.
That's my face when I hear that. That's my face when I heard that. That's my face. When I heard that Steve Harvey teaches women a 90-day motherfucking rule.
I've been, yeah. I've already got it planned. Just to make it special. But the thing is, the closer we get to the 90th day, you can see I'm getting more and more excited. But he's not. He don't seem that excited about it. So, Steve, how can I fill him out ahead of time without embarrassing him or making him mad and figure out, do he have some performance issues down there or something going on? Or 'cause I've never had this problem.
Performance issue.
Look, this is the problem with doing this
Oh,
90
why are you
day
not getting excited?
with doing this 90-day thing is that you don't know what you're getting. And so unless you look at his dick, all right, and you're like, let me just take a look at your dick just in case, you know.
Well, how old is he?
He's 26.
Does he know about this 90-day rule?
Yeah, he know. We discussed it. Yep.
Could it be he just laying low to 90 days? You know, we are guys. We hunt better than anybody. We'll get in some bushes with some camouflage on and wait for hours and hours and hours.
That's the thing is that this does not work, ladies. This does not work. What you're doing is that the Lord in heaven have mercy, man. This is ridiculous. Look, I know Steve Harvey has good intentions, but this is very old school. This does not relate to where we are right now. This kind of stuff will fuck you over. This is the thing. Whenever you make a guy wait 90 days, you're not getting the holy guys. You're not getting, it's not like just because a guy waited 90 days don't mean he's holy. It means that motherfucker is not getting laid. And he's like, fuck it, I barely get laid, let me wait for her. It's just how it is. No dude with options will wait for you for 90 days. I am telling you. The only kind of guys who will wait for that are maybe older dudes. Maybe like in their 50s or 60s. But a dude in his 30s, it doesn't make him like you more. It just makes him, I am telling you, guys resent that shit. If they know that this is a rule that you have, guys will resent that shit. So this is what I think. This is why women wait for a long time for sex. It's because you guys think that sex makes the guy lose interest. It's not the case. The thing is that you get attached to the guy when you guys have sex quick, and then you end up texting him a lot, and then he loses interest. But before the sex, you don't have that attachment, so you don't really chase him as much. So he's able to chase. That's the difference. It's not that the sex makes him lose interest. It's that the sex causes you to get attached, and then you go out of control, and you don't control the way you text, and you text them a lot, and you get insecure. Stop. Sex is no motherfucking big deal, people. Sex is no big deal. No big deal. Look, this lady is acting like she's about to present to him the pussy. Pussy is always anticlimactic, people. Pussy is always anticlimactic. It's never what it is, what you expect. It's always anticlimactic. Let me just keep watching this because this is absolutely ridiculous. You know?
Hours. We don't give a damn how long it takes. We hunt by nature. He gonna be fine. He ain't gonna have no performance issue. Trust me, on that night, we fully expect him as men to represent to the fullest. But now, let me say this to you. The 90-day rule is really for women to make a determining factor if it's worth the benefits or not.
But this is the
If you're
problem.
getting closer to the 90
Is that for a guy needs sex to know if he likes you. So what's gonna happen? You're gonna get attached, right? Because you think he passed the motherfucking 90 days. And as soon as he has sex with you, he leaves. Guys, this is really frustrating. Honestly, God, I don't think you guys could tell. This is the stupidest thing I've ever heard in my life. Outside of I'm not mentioning him. You guys know who I was gonna mention. Outside of that,
days and he falling off, why would you give him the cookie? It's your cookie. Don't see. You don't just pass it out
ladies,
on day 90.
let me tell you something. The cookie ain't that special. Okay? The cookie ain't that special. The only time cookie's special is when that motherfucker ain't getting shit. This is ridiculous, man. Your pussy ain't special, man. It is not special. It's not, it doesn't glisten the world. It doesn't bring happiness. It doesn't do any of that stuff. It's your personality. It's who you are that matters. And your time is more important than you giving up some pussy. Your time is more important than you giving up sex. It's infinitely more important. It honestly, it pisses me off that people say that kind of stuff. And the thing is that I know he has good intention. I know he has good intentions. He's not one of those people who teach about don't play any games because he's secretly manipulative. He's one of those people who he just comes from a certain time. He just comes from a certain time. I understand that. But I'm here to educate these motherfuckers. All right, let's keep listening.
And he failed the course at 88. See, he could be flunking the
See,
course right now.
so essentially, you women are making yourselves into objects. The prize is my pussy. Motherfucker, the prize should be him spending time with you. If he likes you, that's the prize, not the pussy. So let him. The thing is that he will never know if he likes you unless he bangs you. That's what you guys don't understand. Oh, Lord have mercy. I feel like I'm watching Mark Rosenfeld right now, man.
Now, does he call you all the time like he used to?
Yeah, he's doing very good. He's passed. Like he's passing, not passed, but he's passing.
Okay,
So far.
you need this 90 days seem like more than he do. Because this 90 days is really worrying you, and I really don't look like nothing I can say gonna
Honestly,
stop
guys,
you. So
ladies, man.
give it 90 if it's not.
Look,
92 is better.
I would recommend you
98.
have once you have sex with a guy, do it on the second or third date. 90 day, motherfucker. This is, oh my god, this is crazy, dude. This is like, it's just absolutely incredible.
It's better?
Okay.
No, you're not. I don't even know why you just lied to me. You just.
I'm not,
She
Steve.
shut.
This is how I deal with my clients. Clients trying to be slick. You see that face of hers? That's how my clients be. When they try to be slick with me, that's right there.
Eyes and went, okay, damn. You seem like a nice girl and everything. Just keep making him earn it. You know, you're doing good.
Thank you, Steve.
Yes.
This deserves another video. Mark, I'm sorry if I ever said anything bad about you, but you've been surpassed. And I like Steve Harvey, but you've been surpassed. This is ridiculous. Ladies, this is not the last time I'm making this video. This is absolutely ridiculous. Please, on the link below, let me know what video that you guys find out that Steve Harvey. Let me know down below, because I will be making some reactions, because this is ridiculous, man. I didn't know this. I need to breathe, people. All right, this is Alex from mindfortrash.org. I'm about to have a heart attack. You guys be safe and have a great day. Bye-bye.
All right, ladies. So this is the course that all of you guys have been asking me for, and it's the psychological game of attraction. This is pretty much the course that will make any man beg to want to commit with you. This is the course that I wish, I'll be honest with you, if I was a woman, this is the kind of course that I want, because it's a course that's specifically geared to help you understand how guys fall in love and how to do it in a systematic way that's almost predictable, right? So let me show you guys how this course is set up. By the way, there's a 30-day money back guaranteed on this course. So if you guys don't like it, you guys will get money back. Look, let me show you how it's done, right? So it's split up in a few sections. The first section is the introduction, obviously, what to expect from it. After that is I'm giving you an understanding of the psychology of attraction, right? Because you need to understand that dating is a game. You need to think strategically, that there are certain laws of human nature that you cannot break, that, and just a few things of why people love each other. You know, it's very important to have a realistic expectation. After that, we go into the we go into the 3 phases of every relationship. They all go in these 3 phases, and these phases could overlap each other at times, right? The first phase is the pre-honeymoon period. It is when you first know the person, or it is when you're becoming acquaintance with the guy, or it is when you guys broke up and are back together, or it is when you guys had a long period of you guys not knowing each other, and now you guys want to rekindle things. This works in any point of the relationship that you need to spark interest and curiosity. So these videos are specific for that. Specific to create curiosity, how to get to know the guy the right way, using your non-verbals, how to create a powerful reputation. It's truly powerful stuff. After that is the honeymoon period. This honeymoon period is how to get from curiosity to interest to creating a deep connection. So all of these videos are specifically geared to that. Not the 30, no. These specific videos are there for this phase, and this phase is any phase. You guys are having a good, happy moment. You guys just got back together, and now you feel that peak. You feel that happiness that you guys felt. That's what this is, right? So these videos are there for that, creating a lonely fantasy, the preemptive breakup, the triangle of love, using words to control his man. It's powerful stuff. After that is the post honeymoon period, and again is a short list of videos, because these videos are there to solidify the connection that you already created. So if you just had an incredible moment, or you just came out of a vacation with a guy and everything went well, you better use this phase, because if you don't do this, he's gonna become disenchanted. It's just how it is. These are very specific videos, and if you and all you gotta do is just say, all right, where am I? I tell you where you guys are, and you just watch the video. It's pretty much like being coached by me. You got some bonus videos: stop being nice, dealing with the inevitable, how to deal with breakup, how to deal with getting over a dude. This is the how to overcome manipulation, identifying manipulation, deterring manipulation, defending yourself against manipulation, what to do if you're already in a manipulative relationship, and how to avoid them through detachment. It's pretty much an extremely succinct and laser focused course. Not one waste of motion. That's why I love it. And there's a 30-day money back guarantee if you guys don't like it. No questions asked, people. All right. And if you guys want to support this channel, this is how you support it. And I hope you guys enjoy this. All right. See you guys inside.